Hello guys, this is Engineering Mathematics series and the first lecture, Introduction to Matlab. Matlab is a program for doing numerical computation. It was originally designed for solving linear algebra type problems using matrices. Its name is derived from matrix laboratory. Matrix laboratory. So we take 3 letters from here and 3 letters from there. We'll get Matlab. Matlab has since been expanded and now has built-in functions for solving problems requiring data analysis, signal processing, optimization, and several other types of scientific computations. It also contains functions for 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional graphics and animation. How to get Matlab? Matlab is a paid program where you can download it for your computer trial version to check it if it's good or if you need this one, and you can download Matlab mobile for your smartphone, or you can use online Matlab. Online version is free and it's enough for our computations during our class. In the laboratory of our classroom, in the faculty's classroom, you may find the computers with installed Matlab and we may use them. So here's the link to download Matlab, mathworks.com downloads, there you will find. Or for the mobile, you have to search from, if you use like Apple Productions, you may search them from App Store, or if you use Google, maybe Google Play, you will find Matlab mobile and try to install it. This is the Matlab applications desktop, and this part is called current folder, and this is called workspace, and that one is command window. I already have Matlab application on my computer and I can show you how it works. Okay, let me type here. Oh, Matlab is here, Matlab 2020. This is Matlab application. Just now we have talked this part called current folder and this part called workspace, and this is the command window. And there are some places here on the top of the screen: home, plots, and apps. Apps, the applications which created using Matlab and works inside the Matlab program. Plots, here are several type of graphs like charts, and we can use them with the variables, but now we don't have any variable, we don't have. And the home, there are some buttons to create new script and to create new live script, and the new button we may find from here: script, function, class, system object, project, figure, app, Simulink models. And we can open the files that we already have created using Matlab and save them. We may try to find files, compare two files, and import data. We can import different types of data here. For example, audio, like pictures, format files, and Matlab data file, and other type of files while analyzing some data. And we may save our workspace. We may create new variable, open used variables, and clear our workspace. Workspace is this one, and we may have some favorite buttons here which we've used before. And Simulink. Simulink is a subprogram of Matlab. It's used for modeling some simulations, so it's called like Simulink. And layout, we may change this layout, the view of this Matlab program if you want. And there are some preferences here. If I want to write here, for example, if I want to write like 2 plus 2, and I press enter, I will get the answer, which is 4. But if you look here, it's shown a little bit small, so I want to change the preferences and the size. So I'll need fonts, and this is 10. Now maybe I'll need 18. Okay, now it looks way better. So if you want to calculate like 6 times 72, type it and press enter, hit enter. Okay, answer is 42. And all the variables here, this kind of ans is a variable. Matlab created this variable and now its value is 42. All the variables will be shown in your workspace. And current folder, if you save this document or if you open some document from a folder, you will see in which folder are you in. And in workspace, you can see, you can check your variables. And look at here, this one is called Matlab Prompt. This 2 or double this sign. You will not type it. You will not type it. It will be typed by Matlab. If you want to know the value of your variable, type your variable name, ans, hit enter. Okay, the value is 432. This is again here, this one is, so you don't have to type it. This is in our presentation also. We don't have to declare type for variables, and we don't even have to initialize them. Just assign in comment window and that's all. This one is Matlab Prompt, and this is assign operator. If you want to assign some value, for example 12, to the variable, for example a, we have to write in this form. And this one is comment operator. If you type this one, it's comment. Matlab will not calculate this part. It will understand this as a comment. And we have variable contents by simply typing the variable name at the comment prompt. Just now we did these calculations there. Workspace is Matlab's memory. You can manipulate variables stored in the workspace. Display contents of workspace. Workspace shows what kind of variable you have and what is its size and in which type is it. You can delete variables from the workspace, or you can type this command clear A and B. It will delete A and B from the workspace. And you can write whos in order to know what kind of variables you have. And if you type clear all and write this dot comma at the end, you will delete all variables from the workspace. Okay, let us try. We have this workspace and A equals to 3. Okay, we have 2 variables here. Let me try clear A. Okay, I don't have A here, and I will say B equals to 4, A equals to 5, C equals to A times B. I have a lot of variables here. Clear all. I don't have any variables. If I want to clear all variables, I have to type clear all. Matlab help commands. Help whos displays documentation for the function whos. Look for convert displays functions with the convert in the first help line. Start Matlab help documentation by typing help desk. Good luck. This was the first lecture and introduction to Matlab course. Now I'll try to